everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a brand that has been around for a while, but it's a brand that I've yet to review here on my channel, and that is Sunday Riley. And I am reviewing the A+ high dose Retinoid Serum, which looks like this. This is some pretty beautiful, like a really beautiful packaging. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any future uploads. Sunday Riley describes this as an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts to the skin. You can find this at Sephora.com and also SundayRiley.com. A 1 ounce unit just like this one retails for $85. They also have a 0.5 unit that retails for $50. And they also have like a jumbo size 1.7 ounces that retails for $122. Sunday Riley suggests that you apply 1 to 2 pumps in the evening to clean dry skin. If you are a new retinoid user, you want to use 2 days on, 2 days off. You'll want to work your way up to every day, then daily to evening use. You want to follow with your favorite gentle oil or moisturizer like CEO, Glow, or Juno. All sold separately, of course. For advanced retinol users, that is me, you want to use this nightly. Sensitive skin, you'll want to apply a few drops of a gentle, nourishing oil like CEO or Glow or Juno to your skin before applying A+ high-dose retinoid serum. This product has an extensive ingredients list. We see 5% retinoid ester blend, 1% liposomal encapsulated retinol blend, and 0.5 blue-green algae and encapsulated CoQ10. We see gram-active retinoid, a more stable, gentle derivative of vitamin A within this formula. Gram-active retinoid is not just a great anti-ager, it's also good at minimizing breakouts and redness, which I think that using these two together really help to combat some of the redness I tend to experience right here along the cheeks, which I think in today's demo, like, it's literally completely gone. We see retinol, an anti-aging, anti-acne, pore minimizing ingredient. This ingredient works by telling the skin to behave younger. It stimulates the skin's production of hyaluronic acid, resulting in plumper, more hydrated skin. Retinol can produce results in concentrations as low as 0.01%. We also see prickly pear extract, a skin-soothing antioxidant that helps improve skin's smoothness. CoQ10 is an anti-aging antioxidant that is also naturally occurring within the body. And as we age, CoQ10, or ubiquinone, declines as we age. Environmental stress can play a role in its decline, and topical application of CoQ10 can soothe and minimize the signs of aging. I will say that my initial introduction to this product was very interesting because I immediately noticed the smell. On April 18th, I noted that this sinks really easily and glides over the skin effortlessly, and I did not find the product to be sticky at all. This was so incredibly gentle on my skin that I found myself using this nightly for weeks until I threw in a hydrating nighttime skincare routine. And I did not experience any redness or irritation with nightly use. In fact, I will say that I think that this helped to minimize some of the redness here. After 2 weeks of use, my skin felt slightly firmer and softer with nightly use. After weeks of use, I also did not notice the smell as I initially did. Even today, as I filmed today's demo, the scent, I couldn't tell you if it was there, but it was that initial introduction to this product. I think for like a full week, I could not apply this without smelling it. So that kind of made me not want to use this, and I am not one to be very sensitive to smells at all. But I will say that after well over 5 weeks of use, I can't smell this any longer. If you are, however, sensitive to smells, do consider getting a sample size unit of this before you commit to a larger size like this. After week 3, pores appeared smaller, texture slightly smoother, and breakouts were kept at bay. I think I finished my cycle last week. No breakouts, and I feel like today I am having one of the best skin days I've had in a while, so it could be because of this. I am going to compare this to an older PETER Thomas Roth product that I meant to review a long time ago. I literally checked through my videos and I for sure thought that I had reviewed it, but I didn't, and this product is no longer made or sold. So it was one of the first brand active retinoid products I remember trying and testing, but I still vividly remember using. It had a very high price point. I want to say like over $100. And the packaging, I would say, was a little questionable. It came in a dropper with a slightly tinted bottle. And I think that retinol products with Grand Active Retinoid should be packaged in an opaque unit like this, airtight, to definitely maintain the integrity of the ingredients. I have reviewed a number of retinol-based products in the past, but not a lot and not perhaps many, if any, with Grand Active Retinoid, which is why I had to chat about a product that is no longer made, but one I remember. Both products I felt yielded similar results, even with the questionable packaging. But I will say that after trying the Sunday Riley unit, I do prefer this over the PETER Thomas Roth unit. Not only was the PETER Thomas Roth unit well over $100 about 5 years ago, this retails for what, 85 doll hairs? Yeah, 85 doll hairs. So it's a little bit less expensive, and I do enjoy the formula. This has, I think, more of a Grand Active Retinoid percentage than the PTR unit had. That I could be wrong, but I do enjoy this formula more, and I also love how silky and luxurious it feels over the skin. I think that I could get away with using this year round. From nearly nightly use, I noted firmer, smoother skin. Pores did appear smaller and breakouts were kept at bay. I also did not experience any redness, irritation, flaking, or sensitivity from use. This worked well with multiple toners and essences, serums, and moisturizers of different ranges. And I did not use this during the day, but as I do every day, I made sure to apply my SPF daily. This worked very well with my Drunk Elephant Marula face oil. No pilling at night. My favorite way to use this was by cleansing or removing my makeup with the Elemis cleansing balm. I think it was the black cherry scent. So good. Pharmacy Gentle Cleanser, 2% BHA exfoliating liquid by Paula's Choice. I did introduce that to the mix when I felt like my skin was ready. I experienced the best results when I added the Paula's Choice 2% BHA exfoliating liquid. before I applied this. And I would use 2 pumps of this over the face and neck. And I would follow this with a product by the Inkey List, which I will be reviewing soon, so do stay tuned for that. And then I would follow that with the Murad Heartleaf Calming Cream. I would follow that with my favorite eye and lip products, and then seal everything in with the Drunk Elephant Marula Face Oil. I would recommend this to all skin types who are looking to minimize the signs of aging, perhaps looking to introduce a gentle form of retinol to the skin. I like that skin felt firmer with continued nightly use, and it felt smoother and pores appeared smaller. Skin that experiences breakouts may also enjoy this for its anti-acne properties. Sensitive skin may enjoy this due to its Granactive retinoid content, as Granactive retinoid is a good alternative to pure retinol because it is more gentle on the skin. I found this to be results driven. The concentration of retinoid blends and other ingredients is quite unique, especially the 5% retinoid ester blend concentration and the 1% encapsulated retinol blend. The addition of the prickly pear and ubiquinone I found very interesting and, again, unique. This was also fragrance-free, drying alcohol-free, and essential oil-free. Con here is going to be the smell. It is a bit of an herbal scent that I personally did not expect, but after weeks of use, I did not mind it. If you are, however, sensitive to smells, again, do swatch or sample. I am rating this a 9 out of 10. I do like that this is results driven and that it's got a very unique formula. I love that it worked very well alongside staple skincare products and a few newer ones, all without irritating my skin. And I am deducting a point for the smell. I felt that it was noticeable enough for me to make a note of it. Other than that, I love this. So let me know if you have used this product by Sunday Riley in the comments down below. I know that this is not a new product, but it is new to me. So if you have used this, whether or not you've had a positive or a negative experience with this, do let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I'd love to know. So yeah, let's discuss that. And thank you all so much for watching my video today. Give this video a like if you learned something new. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you also love product reviews. Hit that notification bell as well. I upload every Sunday unless the audio is jacked up. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I look really summer today, I feel like. This is going to be like vibe of the summer. This product has a new brand to what? No. Blue from Nearly Nighttime. I'm just not talking.